Baby, so fine, you ain't regular. Oh yeah, all these haters, they gon' damage you. Oh yeah, I got money, I can spoil you now. Oh yeah, I been fucking with the foreigners. Oh yeah, your sexy body, I'm in love with you. Oh yeah, I'm a player, I'ma pipe you down. Oh yeah, I ain't here to hold you down, you know. Oh yeah, I got money and I'm popular.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. The first thing that I use for my eyebrows is that eyebrow spoolie. You can get this from anywhere. There's so many brands that have them, and I just use that to brush up my hairs to make sure that they're in the shape that I do want. Next, I'm gonna use a small angled brush, and for my eyebrows I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade Dip Brow in the color Ebony, and that is what I use to draw in my brows. So I'm taking the angled brush after dipping it into the pomade and just kind of going over my eyebrow shape to kind of get the shape that I want. And as you guys can tell, I'm really taking my time to make sure that my eyebrows are the size that I want and that they're not too thick, but they are angled the way that I want and that they are the size that I want as well. So I'm really taking my time and just looking at the mirror and making sure that I am getting all the strokes in that I do need for these brows to be snatched. Look at that. Look at that brow. Yes. And we haven't even gotten to the good part yet. And so I also just went ahead and did the same for the other brow. I fast forwarded it because of the sake of time. This tutorial would have been like 30 minutes, but I did the same thing in the other eyebrow. And then next I went ahead and started concealing. I'm using the Ruby Kisses concealer in the color Caramel, and I'm using a flat eyeliner brush from e.l.f. You can buy this anywhere, and I'm just using that to kind of highlight, shape, and conceal my eyebrows to make sure that I get the shape that I want, and also to add a little highlight so when I do my eyeshadow or anything like that, that it shows, and it'll also be a really nice base for my eyeshadow as well. So I did the lower part of my brows, and I'm just bringing it all the way down to my eyelid. That way later on I could just blend it out and not have to worry too much about any excess concealer. And I also did the same thing for the top to make sure that I get the shape that I want, or at least the shape that I desire, or at least close to. And concealing your eyebrows really helps you kind of make your eyebrows sisters, not best friends. That way they kind of at least look alike. You know, we want to know that your eyebrows have the same parents, that's all. So just really take your time when you guys are concealing to make sure you get the shape that you desire and that you're happy with. So the longer you spend on your brows, the better they will look and the more compliments you'll get. Remember, sisters, not best friends. So I think I'm really happy with the shape of the brow there. So I'm just making sure that I am getting rid of the rest of the concealer, so that way everything will even out when I use foundation or anything else. And I went ahead and did the same thing for the other brow and went in from there. And now I'm just using an eyebrow spoolie to kind of pull my brows forward, kind of to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. That way it doesn't look like my brows were completely drawn in, and you can kind of trick it from there. But yeah, that's about it for my brows, you guys. It's really simple. Take your time and you got this, sis.
Alright guys, so this is how I do my eyebrows. It's really simple. It does take some time though. I used to just rush my eyebrows, but I've learned that the more time you take and the more focused you are in making sure you get the right shape that's for your face, or the right shape that you want your eyebrows to look like, the better they look. And also finding concealers that are a little bit closer to your skin tone really does help make it look brighter but not stand out like crazy. That is that for my eyebrow tutorial. Hopefully it helped you guys, especially the new, if you are new at makeup. My eyebrow routine is super simple, and I'll have the links to everything down below. I'm pretty sure everyone and anyone who's ever done makeup probably has e.l.f. brushes and whatnot, but I will link down I will link below the items that I used in this video. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share it, tweet it, Facebook it, whatever you guys want to do with it. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.